In this video, we'll review how to use your mobile PA system. The mobile PA is designed as a simple and reliable portable speaker that brings clear audio to large, active learning spaces, allowing all students to clearly hear and understand the teacher. Mobile PA is a portable audio system that requires no installation and can simply be set on a tabletop or tripod, typically along the side or back of the room. The first time you use your mobile PA, plug it into AC power and place the microphones into the integrated microphone charger. Mobile PA will automatically power on as noted by the white power status light on the side panel. When connected to power, mobile PA will operate as normal while the battery is charging. It takes approximately 5 hours to fully charge the battery for a full 8-hour day. The battery status light is on the side of the mobile PA. It will turn green after a full charge, indicating the battery is ready. A red light indicates it is still charging. The microphone battery status light is on the front of the microphone and will also turn green after a full charge. Note that microphones will only charge when the mobile PA is plugged into AC power. The optimal location for the mobile PA is facing the audience against a wall opposite the area of the presenter. Place on a tabletop for quick setup and portability. You can also elevate the mobile PA on a tripod to broadcast in a larger space. If you are mounting the mobile PA on a tripod, make sure to extend the legs fully to ensure a safe and sturdy placement. Remove the microphone from the charger. You'll see that the power status light and the power mute button turn white. This indicates the microphone is on but muted. The flex mic automatically mutes when you remove it so it stays quiet while you put it on. When you have the flex mic around your neck and positioned properly, go ahead and tap the power mute button. You'll notice the light will turn blue, indicating the audio is live. At this point, you should hear your voice coming through the speaker. You can pair your personal device to the mobile PA to broadcast through the speaker with a range of 100 feet. On your mobile device or laptop, make sure your Bluetooth setting is on and in search mode. Press and hold the audio in button on the side of the mobile PA for 5 seconds until the status light begins flashing blue, indicating Bluetooth pairing is activated. On your device, select Lightspeed MPA in your Bluetooth settings to connect to the mobile PA. When pairing is complete, the status light will turn solid blue. Voice priority is a feature that fully mutes auxiliary audio sources when you are speaking into the microphone. To turn voice priority on, slide switch up. To turn voice priority off, slide switch down. Once voice priority has been switched on, you can unmute your microphone by a simple tap of the power button on your mic. This will immediately mute all audio coming from the mobile PA, allowing you to broadcast your instruction without interruption. Once you mute the microphone, the audio will resume. Note that voice priority does not pause the audio source, it only mutes it. For larger spaces, mobile PA can operate as a companion speaker. This is simply a second mobile PA that has been switched into companion mode. The mobile PA in companion mode reproduces what is heard from the primary mobile PA speaker, doubling the coverage area. To set up a second mobile PA as a companion speaker, slide the mode switch up to companion mode on the back of the mobile PA. Press and hold the tone button on the companion speaker for 5 seconds until the status light begins blinking blue and white. This will place the speaker in pairing mode. Once the companion speaker is in pairing mode, repeat the process on the primary speaker. After several seconds, the two speakers will connect and the status lights on both speakers will turn solid. Volume level on the companion speaker mirrors the volume level on the primary mobile PA and cannot be adjusted independently. Only the microphones paired to the primary mobile PA will be in use under companion mode. Any microphones paired to the companion speaker will be disabled. To disable the companion speaker, simply slide the companion mode switch down and it will return to its original function. Your mobile PA comes with a sturdy carrying strap that attaches to the top of the mobile PA for easy transport. There are 2 integrated carry strap slots located on the top sides of the mobile PA. Simply loop the carry strap into the slots on each side and secure with a Velcro. This will ensure a nice and sturdy fit for transporting the mobile PA from different locations. At the end of the day, you will need to return your microphone to the integrated cradle charger and plug the mobile PA into AC power for nightly charging. A battery will last a full 8-hour day, but will need to be charged each night. A full charge cycle takes approximately 5 hours. Locate the power supply and AC power cord and insert the DC connector into the jack labeled power on the mobile PA. Plug the AC power cord into an electrical outlet. Place your microphone in the integrated cradle charger. You'll see that the power status lights will glow red, indicating charging has started. In the morning when you return, the mobile PA will be fully charged and the power status lights on the system and microphones will glow green. Also, if during operation the power status light turns red, that means your battery charge is running low. Generally, there are still 30 to 40 minutes of operation before your battery is fully depleted. With that, you now know everything you need to know to effectively use this powerful tool. If you have any questions, please visit our website or call our toll-free number. We have a live customer service team available to help. We thank you for taking the time to watch this video and for using your Lightspeed system.